He'll sneak away and down the moon cake, little walk, then pretty soon you'll find him at that local auction barn. He's standing, he said, oh my, it's too hard, I've got to learn that auction. I gotta make my mark and be an auctioneer. $25 bid. As time went on, he did his best and all could see he didn't just, he practiced calling different Latin bid. His back would find him behind the bar, just working up and almost on as he tried to imitate the auctioneer. When his pap said, son, we just can't stand him, come on, mediocre man, till he's at auction. He's another good name. $40 will they give me, $40 bid, $40 bid, I'm a $40 will they give me, $40 bid, $40 bid. $40 bid now, 45, will they give me 45, and they get a 45 bid, a 45, ooh, they did it at a $45 bid. So from that boy who went to school, there grew a man who played it cool. He came back home a full-fledged auctioneer. Then the people came from miles around just to hear him make that booming sound that filled their hearts with such a happy cheer. Then his famous proud from shore to shore, he's the best hillbilly auctioneer. $45 bid now, $50, 50 will you give me 50, make it a 50 bid at a moment, $50 will you give me? Hey, well, all right, sir, open the gate and let them out and walk aboard. Here we come, a lot of number 29, and what are you going to give for them? I'm 29 to get $30, 30 to get